Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jaguar XF battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. It's important to wait about 20 to 30 minutes after turning off the car for all electronic systems to power down. Then, always disconnect the negative battery terminal first to avoid any electrical issues. Now let's get that old battery out. In most Jaguar XF models, you'll find the battery in the trunk, often beneath a trim panel near the spare tire. Once located, disconnect the positive terminal, as the negative one should already be off. Next, remove any clamps or straps holding the battery in place. These batteries are quite heavy, so lift it out carefully to avoid injury. With the old battery removed, it's time for the new one. Start by thoroughly cleaning the battery tray and the new battery terminals to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into its spot, making sure it's stable and secure. Connect the positive terminal first, then attach the negative terminal. Finally, resecure the battery using its hold-down clamps to prevent any movement. You're almost done. Before hitting the road, double-check that all your connections are tight and secure. Now, start your engine to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. You may need to reset some vehicle electronics, like your windows or the clock. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at a certified recycling center. This ensures environmental safety and often provides a core refund.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.